I'm come to talk about Baby Lord and Candy. Baby Lord, make you wicked, so Baby Lord. Why you wicked? Because you use Candy, Baby Lord. Stop use the girl, man. Stop use her. You see the girl that struggle. And I come from far and you come and I use the girl. Baby Lord, you have to stop it. But you do down there. You want to treat the girl till you turn idiot. But you down there sing about deep and wide. There's a mountain flowing deep and wide. Mountain not deep and wide. Me I say it's deep and high. Not deep and wide. The way not use people not turn idiot. But there's a mountain flowing deep and wide. You have to stop them someday, Baby Lord. Baby Lord, me not like see you without Candy. And I know me alone, and the whole everybody don't like see you without Candy. Because that you make it. You know you're Jamaican Bobby and Whitney, that are you and Candy. You understand? I can Tina, that are you Candy. So Baby Lord, you're not gonna go too far. You see the dance, so you have a run so. You better run so. Go back so to Candy. See if you can reach Candy. Because you have to stop it. You know what I mean? Stop use the girl. That no look good. The world no say I use her. All of a sudden, you make page. And then you attack back Candy. To make sure you get Candy people to come over to your side. It's not working. No, not at all. Can I get a wow? It's not working. Wow. So take yourself back and either go back to Candy, where you and Candy stay so and do things together. The fans them love that. But me I tell them something so cause the Baby Lord they kill your career. So go back and see Sandy. Candy can save you a little bit. You understand? Because I love see the two on together. So not just me. People like, comment, share, and subscribe if you don't like see Baby Lord and Candy together. Sometimes some man no good for you. When you see them want to use you like that, you make them go on. Because they're not going to go nowhere too far. Especially when you are saying there's a mountain deep and wide, you're not going to go too far. You understand? So, no. Baby Lord, try.